Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you the beauty of autumn. The beauty of autumn in Moscow in Russia. I forget to take the video from the start. Capture the video from the start. So right now I am at the bus station waiting for my friends, and then we'll go to one park and I will show you. Actually the autumn is partially end, but my friends are here. Ta-da!
So now we are at Whiskey Park, and now we are going to be here, explore the park and take good
It's a
photos.
Snapchat.
And also I will capture some autumn vibes.
So now we are going to cafe. We are going to cafe. We took good photos and I forget to capture the good part because we were busy in making reels. And now we are going to try which restaurant? Tacos.
Taco Bell.
Yeah.
We are not stuck.
We are somewhere. We are searching our place, but I think we are lost. But let's see. I think it's a hotel. So finally we found a place. After searching 25 minutes. The place looks nice. They have English?
Oh yes, I think.
Well, you know what? After a long, busy week, nothing feels better than spending time with my girls. When life gets full of deadlines, studies, and work, but memories like this reminds me slow down, laugh, and just enjoy the little things. I feel like this is the best part of the weekend. So we order Mexican shawarma. I order Mexican shawarma with cheese and chicken, and a cozy cafe, good conversation, and the people who always makes everything feels lighter. Sometimes this is all you need: good friends, warm coffee, warm tea, good food, sweets, and a view or a feast, right? When I'm spending a quality time with good friends, a few hours of peace is much more needed after every week. So, yep. Guys, we have a lot of complimentary food. This tea was complimentary. The shawarma was complimentary. The rest food we already ate. And we are enjoying this restaurant because we got a lot of complimentary food. Mhm.
I'm so bad at lyrics. I found her. So each week we order. It's chocolate. Yeah, I think it is a salted caramel churros with caramel syrup. I was craved for the chocolate one, but
It's
I
so
don't know
tasty.
why they have the spicy red chili churros with chocolate. I don't know why the weird combination. But this one, which we ordered, it was good. So, see guys, this is the piece of art.
You should say like it's a piece of
Shit? No.
like, a piece of and silence, and everyone will like
A piece of
understand.
silence, yes. It's a piece of silence.
Piece of silence.
Okay.
It's a piece of sleep of mind. Wow.
Wow.
Who would think about this?
Wow. Oh. By the way, what is this? Let's see.
Oh my god, I want this at home.
Do I need to leave this thing here?
Like a sacrifice.
So guys, that's how we end our day. A good
We
day.
stay here and we wait for the new day.
Yes, according to Maria. So yes, that's how we end our day. See you in next vlog. Bye bye. We enjoyed today a lot. We got a lot of complimentary food.
We got lots of compliments.
A lot of compliments also.
And
So-
we gave lots of compliments
To whom?
to everyone.
Yeah. So the day was good. See you in next vlog. Bye bye. Bye. Ciao. Paka paka. What else? That's with that. So on our way we found this university. It's Technical University. What's the university name?
Technical University of Bauman.
Bauman. Wow, it's so beautiful.